guys?
Marshmallows.
What's up guys, we're Unit Shots and today we're going to be doing the Woodwork Battle.
What's happening?
Yeah. Right.
Smash it, you hit it.
Just make sure you smash that like button, you know.
Subscribe for more content.
Notifications on, please. The rules of this battle is pretty easy. You just have to hit all three parts of the woodwork, but with actual metal, not woodwork, but actual metal.
I'm afraid that's no points, bro. I don't really mind what I get. I'm just hitting it, anything.
Let's do this.
Saucy.
This deserves a like. A crossbar. What did I say?
I missed badly on my last post. There we go.
About 3mm.
Boom, left crocking.
Now everyone's got one. It's my time to shine.
Is it like you did in the first battle? Nah, just go.
if I miss, I'm out.
So when you have to score, then we'll do sudden death. Yeah, ready?
Yeah, okay.
It looks like Eddie and Joe are out.
But you and Marv are still in.
This is the final, guys. The rules are, you have to tell the camera where you're going to shoot in the goal with the kind of good goalie. So let's do this. I'm going to go bottom left.
Bottom left.
Top left.
You see that?
Go!
Bottom right.
That was bottom left.
I'm going top right.
Top left.
Middle.
Top left again.
Middle.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you smash the like button and
subscribe.
Just watch out for more videos when they come out. See ya!
Hi guys, I won another battle. But I gotta say, congrats to Marvin. He was superb. He's improved so much from last time. You can see, he's become an amazing footballer, and I would like to say, well done, Marv.
And what'd you say about me?
But I'll say about you and Joseph, you could do better, you know?
And maybe not so much hitting the crossbar and post. I'm just more likely to get it in the goal, right?
Well, accuracy is everything.